Okay, we are back here again. So in this video we'll see about the texturing. Before I start the texturing, I'll just do some minor design for the windows. So that looks good for me. So I'll just try that. So I'll select the body of the house, go to the edit mode. What I'll do means I'll add one more, uh, look at over here. I'll move it up here. Yeah, that is fine. And I'll select these faces, all these faces. Okay, so once you select this, what you need to do means extrude it, extrude on the this much. Yeah, now this looks good for me. Okay, so this window is little bit bigger, so scale on y-axis, make it little bit smaller. Okay, yeah, this is good. So in the same way I'll do it for here also. So I'll add one loop cut over here so that I require that to select the face. Yeah, yeah, select the faces. Then extrude it. E for extrude. Enough. Okay, if you feel the window is bigger, scale it on whichever the axis is. So this looks good for me. Okay, okay, let us start the the texturing part. So the texturing, first I'll apply the texture for the house, means the color. So I want something very light gray for the house. So what I'll do means I'll go to the shading. Okay, come to the shading. So when you come to the shading part, there will be, it looks totally white because there is no color or a texture for the house. Okay, so what I'll do means here in this section click on new. So when you click on new, what happens means it will add a material. The material name is principal BSDF. Okay, so once you come to the principal BSDF, in the the properties panel, you need to come to the material properties. Come to the material properties. See, this options and this option is similar, but in the properties we'll get some more extra options, not only related to the the material. We'll get some other options over here. Okay, we'll see that later. So now, so the base color, as I said, I want some light grayish. Okay, so next what I'll do means I'll click on the base color, then I'll bring this little bit down so that you can see the house color, it is changing to the light gray. So this is enough. So I wanted a light, the gray color, so I got the gray color. Now for the window thing, whatever the things it is there. Okay, the extrude we done. So I have already selected this face. I'll select the inner faces also, these faces. Okay, and even this one. Okay, so select the faces like this, even the top. Okay, so you need to check all the corners. See, we have missed here, so select over here also, even here, here, and the bottom of this. Okay, So we have selected, right? So now how to apply new material for the selected one? So what do you need to do? You need to come to the material property over here. So I told you we'll get some extra options over here. So that come to the material properties. So this is the material for the whole house. Okay, now I'll click on the add. So when you click the add, it will enable to, or it will give an option to add another new material. Okay, so click on new, either here or here. Okay, so after you doing this is not enough. Okay, that means the new material which you applied, it is not applied for this till now. Okay, what you need to do means there is one more step is that. What is that means? You need to click on assign. If you don't click this until end, that the material won't get applied to the selected region. So click on assign. See, the color has been changed, right? Now for this one I'll add the bit darker one. Okay, done. So let me save this. So let me save one extra file. Control Shift S. I'll type 02 set. Okay, so now I need the same. Okay, what happened to this? Okay, no problem. Select this face. Sometimes you by unknowingly you have selected some other faces while doing this, so no need to worry. Select this face, select another face of the original one, Control L. Okay, what you need to do? Control L. Select this and select this, Control L. Okay, wait a second. Select this and you can do like this, click. So what you can do is select this, select the original material, click assign. So that's it. Okay, that is done. So next is I want the same kind of texture for this one also, like how we did for this, right? So same thing I want it over here. So what I'll do means select the face properly. Okay, select the faces. So this is done, and bottom. Okay, then select this. Don't forget to select on the bottom and this place. Okay, select it properly. Okay, done. So now what you need to do, select this material and click on assign. That's it. Okay, so it's easy, no? That's easy. So next, as I said, this is going to be glass and this is going to be on the metal railings, black color or the silver color. So what you need to do, click create new material for the railings. Okay, and then decrease the roughness, increase the metallic. See, we got the metallic field, silver metallic field. That's it. Easy, how to give the metallic one. If you give more metallic, see, that's it, slightly. Okay, so this is done. So now watch carefully how to give the glass material, how to apply the glass material texture for any selected object. So now I want to apply the select glass here. For that, new. Okay, decrease the roughness all the way, then come to the transmission, increase the weight of the transmission to all the way 1. So we got the glass material, but there is something called in glass called, we have something called two types, that is mirror and transparent glass, right? So if you're okay with the mirror, only this much, okay. If you want something kind of mirror, this is good, okay, no need to worry. But when you apply, when you add the lightings in this, then if it is a mirror, the light will bounce opposite, okay. It won't transmit inside this and it won't pass over this part of the area. So if you want to pass that light rays in over here, then what you need to do means, there's one more option is that select the the object, come to the material property, come to the all the way down at the place of the settings. Here in the settings, the blend mode is opaque, change to alpha clip, okay. Then you need to click on this one, refraction, ray trace refraction, and here also alpha clip, okay. So these two options you have to make it change it here, okay, on the settings, understood, no? And also you need to click on the this one, transparency, then it will give you the, it won't look now, but when you add the lightings in the rendering, you will get it, okay. We'll see you on the that time. Okay, fine. So understood now how to apply the glass material. So now in the same way, we have to do the same process for the windows, okay. So to do that, I'll select all the windows and shift H. So this is the windows, okay. So let us add one new material for this. For the this is going to be this material is going to be my for the wooden, the outer line wooden material. I'll add one simple wooden material on the outer line. So I'll take I'll go to the edit mode, then I'll select the faces of this, okay. Okay, I can do it like this, okay. So done. So this is done. Add one new material for this, okay, new, and assign, and we require glass now. Release the roughness, go to the transmission and increase the weight, okay. So this is, I'll call it window glass. You can rename the material name, that will be good, window glass, okay. And this is going to be window frame, okay. That is window frame and window glass. So what I'll do means, I'll delete this thing. Why means, I'll tell you later. So now I'll show you how can we apply the wood material or the image texture for the principal BSDF material. So what you need to do means, one more website called CG Ambient. So go to this website, click on this, okay, click on explore, in this type wood and click on search. So you will get all the kind of wood materials. So I'll just like this kind polished one. So 1K is enough for me. I'll download 1K. So extract the RAR file, extract it. Then when you extract, you will get all this kind of maps, okay. Color map or the displacement map, we call it, sorry, diffuse map, color or diffuse. This is displacement. Normal, you will get two kind of normal map, and there's a roughness, okay. So when you apply, you need to use all this kind of maps. So how to get those maps to here. I'll show it in two ways. Okay, you can use it whatever the thing way. First, copy the path of the folder. Okay, then you just click and drag the base color node like this. So it will give you the for the search. So what you need to do means type image. So image color, right? Click, then click on open, paste the path. Yep. So get the color on color. So color map should be placed on color. Open. So see, we have applied the thing. So only this is not enough. What do you need to do? We got the roughness here, no? We have also have the roughness map. So we can also add the roughness map to the node. Okay. Another way of bringing the maps is, or the images, click and drag directly and paste it here. Okay. So color to roughness. See, I'll show you the difference. If I remove this, see, this is the difference. Okay, related to the roughness. Understood? So this is the roughness. Next, we got normal. So to apply normal, you can apply it in two ways. One, to apply normal, we can apply it in two ways. One is you can use a bump node or a normal map node. So first I'll try with the normal map. Shift A, you need to press Shift S on the search, type normal map. Okay, get the normal map, and what you need to do means here on the strength, click on the strength, type image texture. So paste it here, any one normal map, get it. So I'll show you the difference. What is the difference is, okay, we have not connected the normal map to the normal. Connect the normal to normal. Okay, so we can, sorry, this is going to be with the color, and we can play, yeah, see, we can play with the strength. Okay, understood? We can play with the strength, so it will gives you some good effects. So this is normal map, and next I'll show you with the bump map. Okay, I'll just keep it this one in the side. Let's see which, because I don't know whether bump will give good or the normal map will give you the output good. So I'll just check it out. Okay, Shift A on the search, type bump. Okay, color to height, here you need to give for the height, and normal to normal. See, so understood what will happen when you play the normal map, sorry, normal maps to the bump, the difference between the normal map and the bump map. So let me decrease some strength. Okay, it gives you some depth. So in any one of the class, I'll explain you how the bump map and the normal map will work. Okay, so I'll just to see, yes, this is good for me. Okay, it looks good for me, or else we can decrease some more strength. Yeah, this is good. Let us increase the distance. Okay, this looks good for me. So fetch, then Alt H. Okay, so I'll just bring this, press T for the transform tools. Okay, yeah, this looks good for me. Then what I'll do means, okay, I'll press now Alt D, that means instance duplicate. That means if you do any changes for the duplicated one, it will change with the original one also, or the vice versa, both. Okay. Shift Y, let me scale it a little bit. Okay, because I need to see the frame. Again Alt D, bring it to over here. So this looks really good for me. Alright, So Alt D again. Okay, rotate Z axis 90 degree. Okay, rotate Z 180, front view. Okay, bring this window to here. Okay, let me check in the perspective, because perspective is the main important the view. So Alt D. What happened? Okay, scale on x-axis. Little bit to the right, and scale on x. Okay, this looks good. Again Alt D. And scale on x. See, while you are working on something, the distance between this frame, this frame, this frame, it should be same, because I am doing without any measurements. So when you're working, you should work on measurements. Okay, so now this part of the window is also looking good, this is also looking good. Okay, so remaining this, the door is there, and here also I said I'll apply the the glass material, and also the some wooden material will add it over here, and the top portion. Okay, so we'll see that in the next video. Thank you.